What? Well, it's not a plan. Watch what I want. Carefully. Franchise it. Choose 10-star general. You know when I come to represent, you know, full effective. You know it already. I'm load up. Aim up. Crank up. Drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion boy. Watch me, man. And people's champion. Oh, you mean? A Gaza favorite. Oh, you mean? The most electrifying man for YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear me, man? Right about now in the Gaza nation. I stay some bombs, yeah? And I come forward, come away. And jump on ear to boss live. And my ear to boss. I talk about a brother there named Sissy. But you have to remember Gaza Nation, 10 started telling us here what we want. We now go to program no man thing right about now because all of the focus depend on the World Boss album. Then? Yeah. We say all of the focus depend on the World Boss album. And I tell you, I hear a rip-off argument and I say, where the boy Sir P say, I jump off same time and go take a look. When I look Gaza Nation and listen to the look of pussy, you don't know me not easy already. I grade my smoke and me not bun beady. You know if I see that a long time, I send up so Syrpy and eating people them. Because Syrpy is a boy who I not rate. Come let me tell you this. Any boy where you see come and use no man thing. And go like him want hold no vibes with the man them for them own thing. And not give the man them no credit. I not rate them type of boy there. First thing him do a thief a brother named Jamaican P name. Then afterward, him thief me alone some content them. And then I go like him want hold up waste argument with the man. And him not credible like Mr. Lonesome. Because first thing him do, him hide behind him camera and him hide him voice behind auto-tune. You see what I deal with? So that alone for sure you say him not credible. If him so credible, why him not show him face? Eh? I'm here my call cartel informer. Now him are the biggest informer. And that him do every day upon them channel. A big informing thing him go on with upon him channel. And I talk about you want to clean up Jamaica. As here to say, if you want to clean up Jamaica, why not call the police and inform on all of them people who you know commit all them crime there, all them murder there? Come up and talk that on the internet, that now go help it if you not call the source and make them know what going on. Where you keep it to the where you tell we and we can't go do nothing about it and you have the police them out there and intercom and everything. And you now call the people them and give them all of your explosive information where you have as can't here. Syrpy is nothing but a look of pussy hole to me. What the fuck you not talk about? And everything I'm watching, and every boy I'm watching, and every boy is a man feel like one in no argument with them, you know. Because them boy there's a little sympathizer, you know. A people sympathy my work on, you know. I tell people be an old time story and some shit. We go on where them not even people where nowadays people are not even recall, not even know nothing about them shit there. You know what I mean? You go like say you solve the problem. You solve no problem. You're credible like Mr. Lonesome. Eh? And when you're done, you go like you're tougher than the man. And the man thing, why you get your ideas, your politics wash. SRP, you can't, let me tell you this, you know. You can't rise against Gaza and win, you know. Make sure to tell you that, you know, from now, you know. And all the hide where you want hide, you know. Behind, you know. Your camera, you know. And want hide, you know. Behind auto-tune, you know. Just remember, say, little pig have big ears, you know. You hear that? You hear that? And we don't know what kind of fool thing you come out with and I go on with. Oh, you know the man who want to kill popcorn. You talk your stupidness and all kind of waste thing. And make some look a fool lunatic blog about them and follow you. Like you're credible. You're credible? Eh? Which part are you credible? Eh? Wherever do, if you say, well then, your crime watch shit where you go on with. Wherever do you ever chat nothing and them convict no murderer? Eh? You ever talk nothing for your channel and the man them hold on for no man who commit no awful crime? No crime none at all. No be a lip up your mouth, an informer. You know what I mean? I talk some story where I read, you probably all read about it. Because I think where you don't know. Because to me, you sound fishy to me. You see what I did? And you sound like a boy where go with a whole heap of sister. You sound like a boy where love the look of mix-up business. You see what I did? You have to know say jungle is not afraid of people, you know, especially pussy old people, you know. You see what I deal with? I don't know gimmicks business, you know, a serious thing I talk about, you know. You're not credible. You're not give the people them, you're not give the police them no credible information for all no criminal whatsoever. But you're on the internet and run your mouth like you're credible. You're credible. You're not tough like Mr. Lonesome. Or the man thing you take away. And then I go like you want to hold up waste argument with the man. After you're there, hide behind the man tell you I'm not have a hold up my waste argument with you. Because hide behind your camera. You see me? And I use auto-tune. You know, make nobody see your face. You know what I mean? Because you know you use a look of pussy hole. You see me? You're a boy will wear girl drawers and tights. You know what I mean? But go like you don't know what you do this for. Now the change you do it for. Eh? Now you go like I know the change you do it for. And you know say some people, them love the sympathizer thing. And them love the gas up thing because some people, you know, the easiest way for you lead them and tell them be a fucker, you know. Because the easiest thing for you to do a foolishness, you know. You never know. You think everybody listen to you? Eh? You go like we don't know why you do this. You do this to uplift Jamaica. They were the boy them who are going with the crime and violence there. You work on them. For a man who know everything. You know what I mean? For a man who come like wacky news. You know everything we go on in the country. They oh you not work on them boy there. Because I get for find out say if your investigation well equipped more than even the police them. I saw you look, use nothing more than a look of panty shield boy. Or run up your mouth, tell you something, you can't rise against Gaza and winning a pussy pee. I make sure I tell you that, you know. Because we personally know, you know, you're not a hardcore youth, you know, you're not have it now, you know. And that's the main reason why, you know, you have to hide behind your camera and your voice, you know. If the people them ever see, they look a pussy hole who sit down behind the voice there and I run up in mouth. You know what I mean? And I call up people name. You think you show your face and call people name? You're not credible, that's why. Because the truth is an offense, it's not a sin. So if I call your name, or the truth me I talk, and from me I talk the truth, me not care for. You know what I mean? Lollipop thing. Jungle is not afraid of people. Furthermore, America this. I live in I'm not afraid of people that. You're probably afraid of what happened to you, but I'm not afraid of fucking people. I'm tell you, man. I think at one time, gimmicks business, when boy can roll out him tubes them and talk about him and come and attack you. Boy, you have to know you do that. I'm tell you, man. America, this, you know, anything where you can do, a man can do it better, you know. This is what I deal with, and you have to plan, you know, for hostility, you know, you talk about you're up against certain man, you know. You feel like a gimmicks thing, you come and do what you want. Eh? Boy, miss a pay. Let me tell you something, you know. Use a certain type of pussy hole. You hear that? General, the 10-star one, I represent for Gaza every day and all day. What? Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. Watch me. 10-star. The general, the people's champion. Gaza favorite. Watch.